Hello guys, welcome to Mom and Sons Lessons. Today we are going to discuss about solid shapes.
Generally, solid shapes are of different categories: prisms, pyramids, and spheres, etc. Now, we discuss about the prisms. Prism is a solid shape having the congruent top and base and lateral surfaces being rectangles or parallelograms. When you look into this shape, top and bottom are having rectangle shapes and lateral surfaces are also in the shape of rectangle, which is called rectangular prism, or generally we call it as cuboid. When you look into this prism, its top and base are in the shape of triangle and lateral surfaces being rectangle. This is called triangular prism, and this is a special kind of prism which has bottom and top in the shape of circle. So this is called a cylinder. This is special case of prism.
So guys, we are going to perform an activity to understand this in more detail.
Let's see how to find the CSA and TSA of a prism. For that, I'll take this cylinder shape and then cut into smaller shapes. Let's see how we are going to get it. By cutting this cylinder shape, we are going to get many circular shapes. Now, when we place the circular shapes one on the other, we are going to get the shape of cylinder formed. So when you are talking about the CSA of the cylinder, nothing but we are talking about the circumference of these circular shapes. So as we keep on piling the circular shapes, the cylinder shape will be formed of a certain height. So CSA of the cylinder is nothing but the sum of all these circumferences of each circular shape. What is the circumference of a circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. So, we are going to add up the circumferences of all the circles which are forming a height of h units.
So do you mean we have to multiply with 2 pi r and h?
Yes. In fact, we have to add up all the perimeters. When we are speaking about the CSA of the cylinder, as we discussed just now, we are going to add up the circumference or the perimeter of each basic shape that we have got, which is nothing but circle. So, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So, 2 pi r. Circumference of each circular shape is nothing but 2 pi r. So, we are going to take it as 2 pi r plus 2 pi r plus 2 pi r. For how many times we have to consider? As we have taken the cylinder for a certain height of h units, so we have to take it up for h times. So which makes you 2 pi r being repeatedly added for h times, nothing but 2 pi r multiplied by h, which is 2 pi r h. So curved surface area CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now, if we look into total surface area TSA, always TSA of the cylinder is nothing but CSA plus top and bottom. As we discussed already, top and bottom are congruent circles.
Yes.
So, it's a twice the circle area we should consider. So, CSA plus 2 times base area.
Or top area.
Right, or top area. So CSA 2 pi RH plus 2 into base area, nothing but base of a cylinder is circle. Base of a cylinder is circle. So, what is the circle area? Pi r square. What is the circle area?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. So 2 pi r h CSA plus 2 pi r square twice the base area. Now you can find 2 pi r being common in both the terms. So we can take 2 pi r as common, which makes you here left out with h, plus here out of r square, if 1 r is being taken common, it's left with r again. So TSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r square units. When we talk about the generalization, CSA, when we see, this is h times the perimeter of the base. So generalized formula for CSA of any prism. General formula for any prism. CSA general formula is perimeter of base into height.
Okay.
Now TSA becomes the sum of CSA, nothing but curved surface area, plus 2 times the base area. And this generalized formulae will help you to find the CSA and TSA of any prism shape. Now when we talk about the cuboid, nothing but the rectangular prism. So let's look into this. How do we get for cuboid? CSA is, what is the base perimeter of a rectangle?
2L plus B.
Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into
L plus B.
L plus B into height. We have taken it for a certain height, h units. So h, nothing but this gives you 2h into L plus B square units.
Okay.
Now TSA will be LSA 2h into L plus B plus, what is the base of the rectangular prism?
L into B.
Right. Area is L into B. But we have to consider it as 2 times the base area. So 2 into LB.
LB.
2 into LB. In fact, if you take the brackets, if you remove the brackets, you are going to get it as 2 into LH plus 2 into BH plus 2 into LB, where you can take 2 as common, and then inside the brackets you will find LB plus BH plus LH square units as the area.
Okay.
Got it?
The derivation is simple, right?
Yes, very simple. Now when you speak about the triangular prism,
the same way as cuboid and cylinder.
What is the base of a triangular prism?
Triangle.
Triangle. So area of a triangle, perimeter of a triangle, when we consider the triangle to be congruent, equilateral.
LSA.
What is the base
perimeter into height.
Perimeter into height, right? Perimeter into height, what is the base perimeter?
Base perimeter is 3s.
3s, very good. 3s, sum of the sides of a triangle. So 3s into height, nothing but h, right?
Yeah.
Now TSA?
TSA is LSA plus 2 base area.
Right. LSA plus 2 times the base area.
Yeah.
LSA is 3SH, where S being the side of the triangle, plus 2 times
base area.
Yes, base area. If you take S as the side of the equilateral triangle, you will have root 3 by 4 S square being the area. and you can simplify it.
If height is given, just half L into B.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Is it easy?
Very.
Yes.
So I didn't know till now that derivation of these formulas were so easy. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and like.